as you know, I did a Barbie video and I got 11 subscribers. Thank you so much. But today's video is going to be not a skit, not a Barbie video, but I will be doing more Barbie videos and more skits. But for now, drum roll please. Slime. I got this at Toys R Us. It's called Flarp Noisy Putty. So if you go to Toys R Us today, or tomorrow, the day after, or the next week, you can get this slime, but it's putty. They call it putty. They call it noisy putty. I call it slime. It's just like that. And that's what the video is all going to be about. And you know I have a desk, so that's why you see a chair. And on Facebook, if you see the before and after picture of me, the before of after picture of this chair right here, and I'm standing right by it, then so that is the chair I'm sitting on right now. Sorry, I'm not the best camera person ever. As you can see, I had to put the camera over there on my desk, but it's still on my desk, so yeah. So let's open up the slime. I've already opened it up, but hey, why don't I do it on video? That's what I thought. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on video. It's pink. My favorite color. See, and this is what's on the top of the lid if you want it on Toys R Us. That's the name, yep. Okay, so I'm going to have to teach you some rules and then we'll just play with it. The first rule is if you want to stretch it, then you have to stretch it. You have to like stretch it slowly. Because if you stretch it fast, this is what will happen. That will happen. Hold on. Let me move the camera. Okay. And, or if you do it a little like this fast, yeah, it will rip. If you do it that fast, and just do it slow. Okay, the next one. So, I know some of you always been wanting to do this. Like here, let me get it flatter. And it does make tooting noise. Always wanted to do this. You don't have to do a rule like this, but you don't have to do this rule. I'm just saying, it's better doing it that way. So the rule is that you have to poke it all the way in. Like when you put it on flat surface, you have to go all the way in until you feel whatever you're on playing with it. Like feel the bottom or your table. Feel the bottom of your table. You have to feel it and then pop out, and it will make that noise and it will get a perfect hole. Okay, I only had 2 rules. Oh, and actually one thing that's a better choice to do. So let's get. Oops, I accidentally wrapped it. Let's get started. Playing. Let's get started to play.